Are you someone who spent countless hours exploring and experimenting on different project management tools? Well, I've been there. If you find yourself torn between the giants of project management tools like Asana and ClickUp, well, you're in luck because I've got you covered. Both ClickUp and Asana are powerful project management tools. It can help you stay organized and on top of your projects. They both offer a wide variety or range of features that can help you get streamlined and improve your productivity. Today, I'll talk about the specific features and similarities and differences between these two tools, Asana and ClickUp. First, let's discuss the structure and organization. So with ClickUp, you have a defined structure and you have a workspace which have spaces, folders, lists which can be organized into folders, tasks, subtasks, and checklists. Where ClickUp can be customized by also choosing different kind of views, by choosing a board view or a calendar view, Gantt, timeline, or other options as well. And so you can go ahead and add attachments to your task and collaborate real time with your team. Now, with Asana, the structure in here are broken down into projects. And so projects contain tasks and subtasks. And so each project can have multiple sections that you have here to do, doing, and done, which can be used to group tasks. So Asana can also allow you to customize your layout by choosing to have different views like board, timeline, calendar, or workflow view. And you can also add onto your list different custom fields. Like you can have a select field, multi-select, date, people, text, and number. So with Asana, you can also add comments and add attachments to your task, so other users can collaborate real time with your team. So one key difference between ClickUp and Asana is that ClickUp's workspaces can have multiple lists. So in one folder, you can have more than one list, and so it can allow you to create workflows and processes that are tailored to your specific needs. And again, it provides you a more structured way to create your task, and it doesn't have to live in just one project. And another difference between the user interface right now is that with Asana, if you open up a task, it opens up to your right. Now, unless you have been upgraded to the ClickUp 3.0, when you open up a task, it will take up your whole screen. But as you upgrade to the ClickUp 3.0, you will already have that option wherein the task will open up to the right as well. And also some other changes in the user interface with ClickUp 3.0. Let's go to project management style. So with ClickUp, it has a highly customizable approach to project management. So here you can create workflows and processes that are tailored to your specific needs. And so with ClickUp, you have task dependencies, you have templates, time tracking, and agile boards. So it can really be used to manage complex projects or workflows. With Asana, it's more of a streamlined and intuitive approach to project management, and its focus really is on how simple it is and how easy it is to use for new beginners. And so if you just got started with Asana, you can already have it up and running in just a few hours. So Asana also offers templates. If you go here, you can already go and choose templates as well for common project types. So you can already get started on something pretty easily. And so I just need to set this up. So let's say that let's not choose this template. Okay, let's choose this work request template. And as soon as I create the project, it will already give me a template of everything I need for this specific project. Let's go to views. So with ClickUp, you have a wide variety of views, And so aside from the list view, which is the default, you can also add a board view, which is a Kanban view where you can easily drag and drop your tasks between columns or what you call statuses. You can also have a calendar view, which is good for planning and scheduling or even for social media content. You can have a Gantt view, which is also a timeline view for showing your tasks and dependencies. A timeline view, a box view, or what we call a team view. You now have forms where you can already streamline your intake process so you can quickly gather, organize, and collect data, and that can automatically be turned into a task. So we have here other views such as mind map, workload, activity, or even embed different types of documents, sheets, calendar, maps, videos, or other apps into your view here. Going to Asana, you also have different types of views. You have a list view, a board view, a timeline view, and you have a calendar view. And this is the latest one, which is a workflow view. So how this works is these are now sort of an automation wherein if you put in your triggers, then it will move the task to the next section, which is new request, or it will move it to backlog, in progress, or complete. And so that is the main difference between the ClickUp and Asana view. Going to docs. So ClickUp has an option to create a doc, either here on top of the view. You can add a doc from here, from the space, or you can just simply go to your docs and add a new doc. So with ClickUp's docs, they are collaborative and can be edited and shared by other team members. So you can go ahead and create this from scratch, or you can go ahead and apply a doc template. So with ClickUp, you can go ahead and organize them as well. Here on your docs, you have a list of all your documents. And so it's very easy to find something that you need. Just go or by typing it in, like specific SOP, or you can also add tags so that you can easily find and locate your docs. With Asana, on the other hand, they don't really have a document. Asana has file management. So everything that you add onto your tasks or your projects will be added in here, so you can all view them in one place. So one key difference between ClickUp and Asana is that ClickUp docs are very powerful and customizable than Asana's files. Well, Asana's file is not really a place where you can create documents. So ClickUp's doc is really the best if you want to create SOPs or collect all of your data for specific projects. So Asana's files are more limited in the sense that you're just actually collecting all of the files that are part of your whole project. ClickUp has over 50 plus native integrations. So it has a lot of third-party tools that you can connect with ClickUp. Aside from API, you can connect Slack, GitHub, HubSpot, tracking tools like EverHour, Toggle Harvest, cloud-based storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and of course, email like Gmail, Outlook, and your calendar. So there are a lot of tools you can integrate with ClickUp. With Asana, you can also integrate a lot of tools like Microsoft Teams, Adobe Asana for Salesforce, Asana Android, and the basic third-party apps that you can integrate. So with automations, though, that is where ClickUp shines, because there are a lot of things you can automate even with just a $5 unlimited plan. So you can either create your custom automations, or you can choose from any of the preset automations that are already available in ClickUp. And so as long as you integrated your email, you can also use email automation so you can send and receive emails in ClickUp. With Asana, you can go ahead and add automations in here. And I do like their workflow view where you can already see what kind of automations you need for the task to proceed to the next status, because Asana doesn't really have statuses except for to do and complete. As long as you have a paid plan, you can pretty much do any integrations or automations both in ClickUp and Asana. So it's really how you prefer. If you need more advanced automations or more variety in your automations, I would go with ClickUp. Speed. So when it comes to speed, both ClickUp and Asana are cloud-based project management tools. So it means that it really depends on your internet speed or on the server. So there are times, of course, that there may be lags or bugs or the server is down. So both ClickUp and Asana will have times where there will have some errors or bugs and also some downtime. And so with ClickUp 3.0, though, they are working on giving a speed boost and more responsiveness and fixing all of the current bugs they have in the system. And so Asana is more fast and responsive because it has a clean and minimalist interface. So although if there's still a lot of data or tasks in your Asana, it can also be slow to load. So it really depends as well on the current time of the day or whatever, how many data you have in your project management tool. But as of now, I would say that both Asana and ClickUp are cloud-based. And so it depends on how many people you have on your project management tool and how much data you have saved in it. Customizability. So ClickUp shines in customizability because it offers you a lot of things that you can change. First of all, in the structure and how you structure your tasks or set up your workspace. So you have not just projects, but you also have your spaces, folders, and lists. So you can also have more than one view. If you want to have more than one list view, you can do that and just rename your second list view something else. Like this one would be my personal list view. And so with Asana, you can only have one type of each kind of view. We can have just one list view and that would be it. With ClickUp, you can have here your different types of custom fields. You can even have a formula field where if you have two kind of numbers in your custom fields, you can have a formula that can calculate or compute the difference or the sum of the two custom fields. And so again, you can have different kinds of automations in ClickUp, and you can also share this not just with people in your work email, because with Asana, you can only share it with people inside your business if you have the same email addresses. But with ClickUp, you can even share this with other public users with different email addresses, invite them as guests or members, or you can even share this as a public link. So with Asana, you only have projects as the structure, and then inside the projects will already be your task. Right now, you can go ahead and add your different custom fields in here, but even on the free plan, you're not getting a lot of options for your custom field. Unlike in ClickUp, you can have up to 100 uses of any type of custom fields. And so you do have workflows which can let you customize how you want a process to go in ClickUp. If you want your task to be added manually or have it come from a different source like a form or a third-party tool. So overall, ClickUp offers more customization options and flexibility than Asana, which makes it a better fit for teams with complex workflows and specific needs. Asana, on the other hand, is more focused on users that are beginners in project management, or they need to have more ready templates available. So it has a more streamlined and simple approach to customization. So of course, we will be considering pricing. So with ClickUp's pricing plans, you have a free plan, and that is the main difference because you have a free forever plan, while with Asana pricing, the free plan, which is not showing here, it only lasts for 30 days. So if you want to go ahead and try a new Asana plan, you'll need to sign up with a new email. So with ClickUp's free forever, you already get 100 megabyte storage, unlimited tasks. You can invite unlimited members to your workspace. You already have two-factor authentication and the views that you need in ClickUp. If you go to the first paid plan, which is $5 unlimited plan, you already get everything unlimited. That is unlimited storage, unlimited integrations and dashboards. You get unlimited custom fields. You have email in ClickUp. You get teams, goals, and portfolios. So going up to the $12 business plan, you get everything in unlimited plus custom exporting, unlimited teams, advanced automations like conditions when you are creating your automations, advanced time tracking and workload management, timeline, and mind maps. So of course, the Business Plus is best for multiple teams if you have a lot of teams in your business. You also get custom role creation and custom permissions if you really want to have customized sharing of permissions for different types of users. Going to the Asana plan, and so as you can see here, I am on the free plan, but it only lasts for 30 days. On the first plan, which is the premium, I already get features like the timeline, custom fields, workflow builder, rules, dashboard, unlimited free guests, forms, advanced search, milestone, admin, and private teams. Then if I will go with the business plan for $24.99, I get everything in the premium plus goals, portfolios, workload, custom rules builder, and advanced integrations. And then if you want more, you'll just go with the enterprise. And so Asana's price is a bit higher. It's ×2 than ClickUp. So it's best for businesses and large teams. So if you are an individual just wanting to try something out, you can go with ClickUp because you can literally go on their free plan forever. And so if you don't want just the basic features, that's the time you have to go with the unlimited plan. But with Asana, you really need to go with a plan after your first 30 days. And then if you want their more advanced features, then you have to also pay for that. To close, Asana and ClickUp are really one of the most popular tools when it comes to project management. So with ClickUp, it has the flexibility that you're looking for when you want to structure your tasks on your projects. Now with Asana, it's more suited for beginners who are still dipping their toes into project management and they want to get started right away. So the main difference is that ClickUp is not just a project management tool. It's also acting like a knowledge base. You can have chats in ClickUp. You can also have an OKR tracker as a dashboard. So with Asana, its strength lies in the simplicity of use. So it has a clean and intuitive interface, and it makes it easy for anyone to use it. So to close, which one is right for you? It really depends on you as an individual or as a business. But with our guide, you'll be able to make an informed decision and take your project management to the next level. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.